Tutorial 19 in CATIA. In the previous tutorial, we show you how to use the mirror with these profiles, and today we're going to continue talking about the same menu but the symmetry command: operation, transformation, symmetry. So let's start a profile, rectangle, and let's throw an axis for symmetry. Now we can activate the symmetry from the right side, and let's pick this. Let's deactivate and deselect this. Press escape or deactivate the symmetry. Make sure nothing is selected and just select this profile. Symmetry, choose this axis so it make a mirror copy for the original profile but without keeping the original profile. For example, we have this example from the previous tutorial about mirror. We can now make an axis here, and let's make a symmetry copy across this axis. So now let's choose these two polygons, symmetry, this line or this axis. So we now made a symmetry copy from these two polygons. Also, you can make a symmetry from some chosen part. So as we know, you can select to avoid any problem. You can select first the required edges to be symmetry, the symmetry axis. So we made a symmetry copy through that axis. So again, we can try it with this profile. Let's make an axis. Anywhere. Press escape to deselect or select the profile to be symmetry line. So we made a symmetry copy. Since it is closed profile, so you can notice the change in the profiles. So let's make another profile, show you the difference between open profile and closed profile. So we have this profile. We can select the edges we want to symmetry, and we can use one part from the same profile to be a symmetry line. Let's first choose the symmetry feature and choose the symmetry line. So we made a symmetry from this profile.